switch off the video, but we'll do Om 3 times slowly. Okay. All of you please do loudly possible. And this is in mudra. You can put this mudra in both the hands. Please do Om. Let us start with Shuklam Baradaram. Anyone is ready to do? Children, can you do Shuklam Baradaram?
Yes.
Yes. Shuklam Baradaram Shlokam, all of us will do. Shuklam Baradaram.
Chadarbhujam Prasannavadhanam Dhyaye Sarvavitmibhasante
Vignopashantaye Saraswati Namastubhyam
Saraswati Namastubhyam
Varade.
Share in the WhatsApp group.
Sir, which page number, sir?
Namastubhyam
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade
Vidyarambham Karishami Siddhir Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo
Maheshwara
Guru Sakshat
Brahma Sri Guruve Namaha.
Who is the children? Who can do Guru Brahma? Is it Darshan or?
Yes, ma'am. Darshan.
Can you say Darshan? You please say Guru Brahma. Okay.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Good. Sai, can you do? Want to do class Guru Brahma? Sai.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Good. Saundarya, you want to try Kanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Yeah, like the same way Saraswati Namastubhyam, next class you can alternate. Like you
Yes,
class
ma'am.
student can do. Okay, Kanna? Now we'll go to Vishnu Sahasranama. Okay. Saundarya, can you say, again we need to then Vyasam system.
Yes, ma'am.
Shuklambaradaram Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram.
Yes, ma'am. Shuklambaradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Sadurbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavighnopashantaye Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakti Pautram Akalmasham पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकदादं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः।
साई
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे जगतातं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः।
All the three.
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तिर्बौद्धमहल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे सुगनादं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो
ब्रह्मनिधये
व्यासिष्ठाय नमो नमः।
Please observe, it is Vasishtaya, okay, not Vyasishtaya, Vasishtaya, okay, good. So, anyone wants to try? Any students here? Kanchana and somebody else? I cannot see the name.
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णु शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् विघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं वन्दे शुकदादं तपोनिधिं
व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय
Madam, can you once repeat all the three so that we will listen to your pronunciation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः. Today's slokam.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yeah. Jyoti, please.
Yes. शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तिर्पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे सुखदादं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः.
Nice. Anyone else? Keshamurthy sir, will you say all the three?
Yeah. Yes, madam, I'll do it.
Okay, you cut. Yes.
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे सुगदादं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः.
Yes. Karthikeyan sir.
Yes, ma'am. शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वैब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः.
Nice. Anyone else? Otherwise, I just want to tell you one thing. If you intend to memorize, this is the correct time, because in future the number of slokams will be more. So please make a habit of memorizing now itself. That entire week we are having for 1 or 2 slokams. Also, please make it a habit. After learning, if you write, you'll know how many you know perfectly. Okay. So move on to the new shlokam for today.
Yes, madam.
Avikaraya.
Avikaraya.
All of you may repeat after me. Avikaraya.
Avikaraya.
Shuddhaya. Shuddhaya.
Shuddhaya.
Nityaya.
Nityaya.
Nityaya. Vidyaya.
Paramatmane.
Paramatmane.
Paramatmani.
Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane. 4 names in this line. Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane. Together. Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane.
Avikaraya Shuddhaya
Nityaya Paramatmane.
Nityaya Paramatmane.
Sadaiva Rupa Rupaya
Sadaiga Rupa Rupaya
Sadaiva Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave
Sadaiva
Sarvajishnave. Yeah.
Vishnave Sadaiga
Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarva Vishnave.
Sarvajishnave. Please observe. The last one is
Sadaiga
Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarva Vishnave.
I will say once more. Please listen. Then both lines. Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave. Okay. I'd like to teach you three lines every time, so that we will get the flow in between. You will not forget what comes next. So the third line, Yasya Smarana, S-M-A-R-A-N, Smarana.
Yes, Smarana.
Smarana Matrena.
Separate. Yasya Smarana
Janma Samsara Bandhanat.
Samsara Bandhanat. Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat.
Yasya Smarana Matrena
Samsara Bandhanam.
Soundarya?
Ma'am, will you repeat the second line?
Yes. Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Nave Sarvajishnave. Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
Yes, ma'am. I'm asking for the second sloka.
It's not. So today we are doing Avikaraya Shuddhaya Slokam, and we are doing the next Slokam, first line. Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat. We are doing 3 lines. I will say all the 3 now. Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Start learning. If you learn 3 lines, it will help you in future when the slokam numbers are more. Okay? So, I think we will conclude now. Please note down all these 3 lines, and because in conclusion also we have some more slokams. Okay, I want to explain that Kayena Vacha meaning Kayena Vacha Manasendriyarya, that shlokam. Okay. Kayena Vacha. Kaya is body. Vacha, speech. Kayena Vacha, Manas, mind. Indriyam, Aindriya is senses. So we do many activities with physical activities, with mind, with speech, and with our senses. So this shlokam says we are offering all these activities to Lord Narayana. So when we are offering to Lord, our activities quality should be good. That is the meaning of this shlokam. Please repeat after me. Kayena Vacha. Kayena Aina. Kaya Aina.
Kayena Vacha
Manas Aindri.
Manasaindri
Manas Aindri
Airvya.
Airvya
Buddhi.
Buddhi
Atmana.
Atmana
Va.
Svabhavat
Svabhavat. Karomi.
Karomi
Yadyat.
Yadyat
Sakalam.
Shakalam
Parasmai.
Parasmayi
Narayana.
Narayana
Yeti.
Eidi
Samarpayami.
Samarpayami.
Page number 48 in the book. I will
Please.
just
Yes, sir.
send it to you.
Please open 48.
Yeah.
Kayena Vacha Manasaindri Airvya Buddhyatmana Va Prakrute Svabhavat Karomi Yadyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayana Eti Samarpayami. Got it? You can learn it slowly. No rush. Every class we should tell this later after we finish our class. Okay? Now let us all say Narayana 8 times. Narayana, Narayana.
Narayana Narayana
Narayana.
8 times.
Narayana, 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 Narayana.
Om Sahana Bhavatu.
Sahana bhavantu Sahanau bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinamati
Navadhitamastu. Navadhitamastu.
Navadetamastu.
Na long.
Navade tanastu.
Mavidvi
Mavitvi
Shavahai.
Shavahai.
Anyone wants to do full Sahana Bhavatu?
Soundarya, which page is this?
Say.
Sir, I don't know, sir, but I actually know the slogam, sir.
Oh, acha, I don't know which page is this.
You have given in WhatsApp, sir. This
Oh,
one.
it's there in WhatsApp. Okay, I'll check.
Soundarya, can you say? Soundarya, can you say this? Soundarya, Om Sahana Bhavatu again, fully.
Yes, ma'am, I can. Ma'am.
Chaitanya, say, start.
Harihi Om. Om Shahanau Bhavantu. Om Shahanau Bhunaktu. Sahaviryam Karavavahai. Tejashvinavaditamastu Mavitvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Jyoti ma'am, you want to say this? Om Sahana Bhavatu.
I don't have the lyrics as well as I don't know this mantra sloka.
I will do it, madam. I've sent it in the group just now.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Om Sagana Vavattu Sagana Bhunaktu Sagaviryam Karavavagai Tejasvi Navaditamastu Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Hai.
Yes, sir, nice. The meaning of this shlokam is, actually this shlokam is told in all classes wherever learning is happening. And it says that, see, learning is a process between two individuals, both will be benefited, not only the student. So this shlokam says, since we come together on a purpose of learning, let us continue this without a break. Let our energies be together and let us make a new learning, new step forward, and let us not have enmity among us. So this is meaning of this shlokam. So every class, one of you can conclude. Okay, next in future classes, one of you can take turns to complete this. So with this, we will stop today.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kanna.
Ma'am, did we need to say this logo in the beginning or at the end, ma'am?
See, it is up to us. So when we are telling in the end, we are putting a step for next classes also. Okay? So
yes, ma'am.
Because in our class we have dhyana shlokams. I took this in the last. In some classes they will say this and they will start off the class. But we have other prayer shlokams, no? So I took it in the last. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So with this we'll stop. Please continue practicing. Class is only one day a week, but practice is every day. Okay.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.